everyone, I hope you're doing well because I sure am. Today I'm going to another hotel again, but I'm not going alone. I'm going with my friend, really good friend Maria, and I hope that you enjoy the hotel tour and maybe I will do like a very short vlog style thing, but yeah. So today we are going to Incheon. Incheon is very close to Seoul. It's where the main airport is and everything, but it's close to the seaside and it has some pretty cool hotels. So today's hotel has a really big surprise. So let's go. We are together. So we made it to the station near the hotel, and yeah, this is my friend Maria.
Hello.
She's from Finland, so we are the Nordic girls. And yeah, so we are at Yeonsuyok. She's up there, but you can't really see. So now we're gonna find the hotel, drop our bags, because and then we still have time until the actual check-in. So we're gonna just go and look around Incheon a little bit. So let's go. The guy in the check-in desk was really nice and actually let us come in 2 hours early because the room is vacant. So it's literally the first time we're gonna open this room. So excited, so excited. Let's go. Let's go. Okay. This is a hallway. I can leave this here. You ready?
Oh,
you have to put the card in the thingy.
And the door is really slow.
It's okay. Oh my gosh. Wait, let's take off the shoes. Oh my gosh.
Put my stuff down.
Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Oh my gosh, Maria.
Let me get in.
Oh my gosh. This is better than what I expected. This is such a party house.
I was just about to say that.
This is such a party house. Like, look at this TV. I am gonna do a separate room tour video, but like... Wait, me too. Oh my gosh. We have to fill the water. So this is gonna be the bathroom. Wait, how do I open this? I can't open the bathroom. Am I weird? I can't open it.
You're not weird, but is it really the bathroom?
Wait, yeah. Wait. No, you can't get it.
It's another bedroom.
Yeah, because there's 2 bedrooms. Wait. Why can't we open this?
Let me start it.
I think it's accidentally closed from inside. Okay. So there's a bed here. There's a bedroom. Let's see what the view is like. It's sunny. Oh my gosh. I like this. And the sun is so warm. And personal TV. Bed. Oh my gosh.
I love this bed.
This view and oh my gosh, okay. And this is the second bedroom. Oh, this is warm. Because the sun heats it up. Oh my gosh. This is amazing. And you have Ah, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. I love it so much. But we can't get into the bathroom. What the heck? Oh, we have to call to the ajushi. Oh, and we have a Marshall. There's a Marshall speaker.
We're about to pump it up here. Parking call.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, okay.
What's in the
This is so amazing. We can't go on the beds before we've taken the pictures.
orange
This
juice?
looks so...
Orange juice. Okay, people.
Okay. So, we're gonna try to figure out how to open the door to bathroom. And then we're gonna settle in and do stuff and take a lot of pictures and yeah, do the room tour and everything. This is gonna be such a fun night. Okay, see you guys later. Okay, so we were ready to go outside to see the rooftop and different areas in the building. But as we were going out, the guy came to open the bathroom for us. So
Let's see.
would you do the honor to open the bathroom door? Oh my god! Wow!
Slippers.
Wow! Okay, this is a small bath. It's a very small bath, but
Nonetheless,
how do we take this up?
you just pull it. Okay, you have to pull both of them at the same time. Give me that.
No.
Give me.
It's not. I don't know how to open this.
Oh, okay. It's not openable. I don't think so.
Wait.
Yeah, nope. It is what it is.
So it's just like that?
Yeah.
No, I've seen pictures of it being open though.
I'm afraid.
Ta-da!
Ah!
I get it. I'm figured it out. That's a workout.
Nice.
Oh, yes,
But we
babe.
have to take it down later.
Look at this. So as you're sitting in the bath, you can look over the pool and see the view. See the view. Isn't that cool? And we've got tons of towels and we've got soaps and lotion and skin and hair gel. That's what I needed. Oh, and this is great as well because if you have another attachment, it's a regular size, so you can use another attachment. And now we're going to the rooftop. So we made it to the rooftop. It's really pretty. They're just like little flowers. What is this? It's a door. Okay. That's probably our roof there. Oh, they have a bar here. Oh, that's a nice chair. This is a nice chair.
It'd be amazing in the summer.
Right? This is really cool. I really like this. And in the evening they have the lights on the other side.
That's where we have to go.
Oh, poor plant. They left it outside, but it clearly doesn't like being frozen. So this is another area here. Okay, I think these are the pool areas. I can't see, but can you see what's there? Okay, I will watch the video later and then find out. But yeah, so time to take some nice photos in the sun. So we're back in the hotel. We took some photos, some really beautiful photos, but look at this. Isn't that just beautiful? The sunset is so pretty. we've got some sad news. So when I was booking this hotel, I just read it's a pool penthouse, like penthouse that comes with a pool. I didn't actually read the small print that said that if you want the pool, you have to pay extra 100 to get it filled. So that brings the price up to like 300, which I don't think we're gonna do. And they were nice enough to actually be like, okay, we're gonna make it 50 for you. But I don't know if it's worth it, because it's not like a full swimming lap pools and stuff. Like, I don't know. Right?
Yeah, but it's still a really nice room, really nice place nonetheless.
Yeah. I mean, the place is really nice. The view is really nice. So now I guess we just need to drink wine, listen music, and party, because this is only a party house now. And two of us have to party for 100 now.
I'm ready.
So no pool for us. Still gonna maybe try to take some nice photos of the pool area, but yeah, that's it for the pool. So here we go. Wine it is. I guess that's wine time for us then. So hey, yeah, so now we're gonna have our wine time. So yeah, okay, let me show you. So this wine is from my dear friends as a gift. So this is what we're having. This thingy. Really, cheers.
Cheers.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, everyone.